Today we're checking out the Raxiom Axial Series LED projector headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2003 to 2005 Ram 2500s. If your stock lights are faded, dim, or just a little dated, this is an easy way to get a much brighter, cleaner beam and a more modern front end look. The key feature here is going to start with that projector beam, so you're going to get a sharp cutoff and a more usable light on the road without blinding that oncoming traffic. You also get integrated LED running lights around the rim for a newer OEM Plus style that pops day and night. These are built as direct plug-and-play swaps for the factory style connectors, so there's no splicings and they're going to play nicely with the truck's electronics. Most folks are gonna move to headlights like these when the nighttime driving feels a little sketchy, or the factory housings are cloudy or cracked, or you're going for a blacked out or updated look up front. The result is gonna be simple. It's gonna be better visibility, quicker response time when you pop the headlights on, and a front end that looks years newer than what you have. When it comes to the construction on this, you're going to be getting tough polycarbonate lenses over these sealed housings to keep out moisture, along with these precise reflectors and projector beams that focus that beam exactly where you need it. The LED modules use efficient drivers and heat sinks for a very long life, and the adjusters work like stock, so you can dial in aim if that's what you need to do, and the mounting tabs line up with the factory points for a rattle-free fit. On some nice polycarbonate lenses like this, what you're gonna have is less fading, less cracking, and less moisture intrusion, so you're not gonna get those hazy, faded lights like the stock lights tend to do. Now, as far as the pricing on this, we're gonna come in right around that $400 price range for the pair. For a full LED projector setup that installs just like stock, and it has some serious upgrades in nighttime visibility and modern style, this is a very strong value in my opinion. Now, when it comes to the install on this one, this is gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 2 hours or even less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process works with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Some of the tools we'll be using today: use a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 10-inch and a 3-inch extension, a 10mm socket, and a flathead. Today we'll be installing some Raxiom headlights on my 2005 Ram 2500. There are 3 bolts on this headlight that need to be removed. There's one up under there, and then there's these 2 here on the front. First, we're going to take our 10-inch extension, 10mm socket, put it back up in here. Push this down, try to work it in there, keep that, and then you're just going to be taking this off. Once it's hand tight, you're just going to be able to grab the end of this. If it's not quite long enough, feel free to take your other extension on there. Do that, and it's going to be pretty hard to get this out, so I'm gonna stick my hand up under here, pull my extension out, and grab the bolt. We're gonna pull this out. Got our bolt. We're gonna take our bolt set aside. We're just gonna take our 3-inch extension, 4-inch, and it's okay. Go ahead and take these front ones off. Sand loose. Take this other one off. Sand loose. Just go ahead and unscrew it. It's easier to just go directly to the bolt. Now we got both these off. Set them aside. Take our flathead screwdriver. We're gonna want to push down on this. It should just slide right out. There's a clip on the back. Up and over the bumper here. Once you get it out, got two connectors right here with two tabs, one on this side, one on that side. Go ahead and take your flathead, push down on the one side, push down on the other side, and just work it out just like that. And on this other connector, it's honestly it's easiest, just take your thumb, pull up, slide it off just like that. Now this headlight's out. Grab our second headlight, set it up here. If you look right up under here, this needs to come out. So what we're gonna do, take our flathead, slide it right underneath it, just pop it right out. Easiest to work from the top down, so if you start at the top, pop it out. Take your new one, comes on the end of the headlight. Just go ahead, slide that in there, push it in until you hear it click. There you go. Clicks right in there. We'll take our new headlight. Set down right here. These wires have a groove and a ledge. Make sure they line up. Just work it a little bit. There it goes. You're gonna push it in until you hear it click. I don't know if you can hear it click. It clicks. Make sure your edges are out. You can take your blue one and just slide those right in, just like that. Now it's safe to just take all the wiring and just shove it back in there. You can't really do it with your hand right here, so it's easier to reach around, grab it, pull up on it. Now push it back in there. Take your headlight, slide it back. Take this little tab, stick it right in that hole right there. Push it in, slide that in like that. Back here, you're gonna push that clip in. That should hold the headlight in place. We'll grab our extensions and ratchet sockets. We're going to hand tighten the top ones. Side one. Make sure they line up. I might have to push it a little bit. It's okay. Get that just in there, hand tight. Now you're gonna want to take your extensions. Go ahead and put your bolt on the end of that and slide it back in there. Might be easy to grab your screwdriver, help guide it in. Once it's in, you might have to kind of wiggle the headlight a little bit, help it line up. Once it's in, go ahead and tighten it down. Take your sock ratchet, tighten it in. Once it's tight, give about a quarter turn. Take this one, go ahead and tighten it up on the top. Tighten it down on the bottom. Again, once it's snug, it's a quarter turn on top. Like that. Your new headlight is installed. Gonna move on to the next side. And we're gonna repeat the same process on this side. Go ahead and push this down, slide that in there. right to the back there. I'm just gonna take it on. Broke loose. Just finger tighten it. Once it's lost, you're gonna come up under here. Just stick your hand down, kind of down there. You're gonna want to catch that when it falls. Oh, I dropped mine. Go ahead and pull this out. We take our ratchet and socket here to the front. Go ahead and break these off. Once they're finger tight, we'll just take this off. Go ahead and turn it off. Now we're going to take this little connector and we're going to tuck it up here behind my intercooler line to keep it out of the way. Set our bolt aside. On the top. Take this off. Just hand tight, take it off. Let's do that. Put these all aside. Again, we're going to push down. Push the headlight down a little bit. Pop it out. Just like that. Then again, we're going to take our flathead, push it on the tabs, pop this connector right out, then use our thumb, pop this blue connector off, just like that. Set our old headlight aside. Let's process backwards. Put this in. Take our connectors, line them up, push them in till you hear a little click. Make sure they're seated nice and well. I'm gonna come around, grab our wiring. Pop this out. Down. That on the side. Go ahead and make sure everything lines up. Press your clip in. Now we're gonna take our top one, just finger tight, just hold it in place. Take our bottom one, make sure to grab your sensor. Put that in as well. Just finger tight's good for now. Your extension socket. Go ahead and work this in here. Like I said, use the flathead screwdriver to help guide the bolt in. Once it's lined up, go ahead and get it finger tight. So it gets tight. Go ahead and grab your ratchet. So it gets nice and snug. Just a quarter turn. Should be good. Work this out. Set our long extension aside. Don't forget about this guy up here. It's good. Go ahead and tighten this down. It's nice and snug. Come down to the bottom. Once it's tight, make sure to hold your sensor upright. Tighten it down the rest of the way. Hold it this in. Just like that. Quarter turn up here. quarter turn down here. Should be good. Your second headlight is also installed.
All right, well that wraps up our review and install of these Raxiom Axial Series LED projector headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2003 to 2005 Ram 2500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.